The 2024 Audi Q3 stands out as the most budget-friendly SUV in the Audi lineup, offering a compact interpretation of the distinctive design principles found across the entire Audi range. Its exterior mirrors the familiar look of its Q5 counterpart, presenting a slightly scaled-down version. This resemblance carries through to the interior, build quality, and driving characteristics. Standard features include all-wheel drive and adaptive cruise assist, complemented by a digital gauge display, touchscreen infotainment, and a variety of driver assistance features that maintain the Q3's competitiveness in terms of technology. Under the hood, the Q3 is powered by the well-known VW Audi turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine. The Q340 variant boasts 184 horsepower, while the Q345 steps it up to 228 horsepower. While not the most potent or nimble SUV in its class, the Q3 doesn't disappoint either. It responds promptly to driver inputs, and both engines exhibit a satisfying level of responsiveness, with the Q345 offering notably increased speed. Although the Q3's cabin may not match the spaciousness of the BMW X1, and the Mercedes-Benz GLA class might have a sleeker appearance, the Q3 excels in delivering Audi's signature combination of precise handling, comfortable ride, and a subtle yet distinctive family resemblance. The 2024 Q3 is equipped with a single turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, available in two configurations. The Q340 generates 184 horsepower and 221 foot-pounds of torque, while the Q345 offers a more robust performance with 228 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. Power is transmitted to all four wheels through the standard Quattro all-wheel drive system, facilitated by an 8-speed automatic transmission. While neither version of the Q3 stands out for its acceleration, with the best 0 to 60 time recorded at 7.3 seconds for the Q345 in previous tests, the transmission operates smoothly and includes a sport mode along with manual operation. The steering, while direct, lacks a substantial tactile feel. The suspension is calibrated for comfort rather than high performance, acknowledging that an aggressive suspension setup would be inappropriate for this vehicle. In its current configuration, the chassis and engine are well matched, resulting in an enjoyable and occasionally spirited driving experience. The current second-generation Q3 made its debut in the 2019 model year, effectively addressing most of our concerns from the previous model. This iteration boasts a larger size, enhanced materials, and upgraded technology with more user-friendly controls. The driving experience is significantly improved, featuring a better driving position and increased comfort for the front seats. This is attributed in part to the inclusion of 8-way power adjustments and lumbar support for the driver. With standard amenities such as a panoramic sunroof, leather upholstery, and heated front seats, the Q3 now truly lives up to the prestige associated with the iconic 4-ring logo. For those desiring additional luxury, there are optional upgrades available, including ambient interior lighting, a fully digital gauge cluster, and contrasting micro-suede accents on the dashboard and doors, albeit at an extra cost. Despite the opulence, rear seat passengers may find themselves somewhat cramped on longer journeys due to limited legroom. Nevertheless, the cargo area proves practical, accommodating 6 carry-on suitcases, and expanding to hold an additional 12 bags when the rear seats are folded. While slightly less than what fits in the X1, this capacity is comparable to the Jaguar E-Pace. Audi outfits the majority of Q3 models with an 8.8-inch touchscreen MMI infotainment system, complete with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. For those seeking a more expansive display, there is an option for a larger 10.1-inch touchscreen with identical content. The interface stands out for its visual appeal and overall user-friendliness, featuring large icons and haptic feedback. However, the low positioning on the dashboard may pose a potential distraction. Premium upgrades are available, including options like Sirius XM satellite radio, wireless charging capabilities, and a high-end 15-speaker, 680-watt Sonos stereo system. These additions enhance the Q3's infotainment offerings, catering to a diverse range of preferences and ensuring a more immersive audio experience. The new Q3 places a strong emphasis on driver assistance technology, incorporating essential features across all models. Standard offerings encompass automated emergency braking, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and automatic high beams. Additionally, optional advanced safety features include blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, rear emergency braking, as well as front and rear parking sensors. For those seeking an extra layer of convenience, Park Assist is also available. To access comprehensive information about the Q3's crash test results, interested individuals can refer to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration NHTSA and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety IIHS websites for detailed insights and evaluations. Thank you for tuning in to our 2024 Audi Q3 review video. If you have any questions or would like more detailed information, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated on our latest car reviews. We hope you've gained a comprehensive and insightful overview of the 2024 Audi Q3 from this video. Look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos. Thanks, and have a great day.